Uh-oh. Wow, it's missing a battery. Uh-oh. Wow, it's missing a battery. Empty, empty, empty. Charger and extra rotor, tail rotor. And as you can see, there are no extra batteries included. I ordered 2 batteries, but this only came with the one attached already to the helicopter, so it's a major letdown, especially that battery for this is specialized or proprietary, so I can't simply use a regular 2S LiPo. It really looks good though. I mean, main reason I bought this is for its scale. It really looks good. Plus the feedback reviews were all positive. The only downside I would say is just the battery, that you can't use a regular 2S unless maybe we do a major modification. I haven't seen the board yet, so I'm not sure if it's even possible. Extra blades. And here's the TX. Lipstick actually has a spring. I'm not used to this. Typically for flyers, lipstick doesn't have a spring, or elevation doesn't have a spring. This one does. So I think I'll be needing a bit of getting these two. Okay, it needs 4 AA batteries. Now my favorite part is testing. I haven't flown anything in a while, so forgive me if I am not that skilled anymore. And prior to making this particular test video, I've actually crashed quite a bit. I think 5 or 6 times that I crashed, like really hard crashes. But the heli is still intact, so that's a good point, right? Man, I really just wish we can use a regular LiPo battery on this. Major letdown on that part, but scale and performance wise plus durability, this is really good. Okay, that was a really good maiden flight or test flight, and I really like how this looks. Already put in my own sticker there, so I'm planning to paint over this, but we'll see. Right now I just put in my own logo there, and this one's light. It's really light. Plastic feels good, and it's very durable. Sorry, very durable. Now I crashed, like I mentioned, 5 or 6 times. Really hard crashes. I think the worst thing that happened was this got bent upwards, but that was it. I was able to put it back in place, and I've checked everywhere. I didn't see any other damage at all, even with those very hard crashes. So this is a pretty solid build. Maybe there's some minor scratches here. It's not even that visible to the camera, but you can see like this is yellow painted, right? But there's some like chip here. You can already see like a very small white plastic here, or white paint. So they are just minor scratch, and then this got bent upwards. That was it with those very hard crashes, and it still flew smoothly. And I don't mind that this is a brushed helicopter, or main motor is brushed, tail motor is brushed. I actually don't mind having those. I am used to having brushed motors on my RCs. I don't get to play them that often anyways, so it's okay. But I think for me, major downside is, or the only downside really, is the battery, proprietary battery. Plus my seller failed to send me the extra battery that I ordered. I actually ordered I ordered 2 batteries for this one. I only got one that was already installed in the helicopter. Too bad. My flight time, though, I used a timer off camera. It lasted for around 8 minutes. Now I didn't see any kind of indication. I just decided to bring it down when I hit 8 minutes, but I've read that there's an indicator, like the tail red light will be blinking when it's already time, or it serves as its timer that you need to bring the helicopter down because it's already at a low voltage. I didn't wait for it, but it lasted for around 8 minutes. So imagine, if I had 2 batteries, I could have flown it longer. I could have played longer. Too bad, really. I'm disappointed with the seller. This was through an online app in the Philippines, Lazada, and then it was a seller from China, and they were at first claiming that they included it in the package, but I showed them the video, showed them photos, that there was really no other batteries included aside from this one that was already in the helicopter. So I wish there'll be more improvements, especially with the battery, like design it in a way that you can use a regular LiPo battery. So there, or maybe an option, right, for us to solder. I'm not too sure yet if it's even possible, but if I won't be able to order an extra battery. I'll find a way to use a regular LiPo on this. With the apps that I have an access to, there are no available parts, no available batteries yet. Hoping there will be soon, but if not, then I might need to modify this to be able to carry a regular 2S, but we'll see. As far as how it looks and performance goes, it's really best bang for the buck. This is cheap. Another option I have, maybe aside from modifying this, is I can order another one like this, maybe a different variant, different color, and then try to order extra batteries from that one, because the seller told me that they're not able to send me just a battery itself. It needs to be included in a kit or in another RC or another product. So I'm still communicating with them, still communicating or waiting for Lazada's decision to give me a refund on this. But for now, those are my options. Either I modify this, or order another heli and then ask them to send me the battery that I already paid for, plus maybe order another one extra. So I'll end up with 3 batteries in total, and then 2 helicopters, right? I'm thinking maybe another variant, at least that way I have 2 helis. One would be my major flyer, and then one would serve as a backup or like my spare parts. All right, so there, thank you so much for tuning in today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet. I badly need your support. All right, hit the like button as well, guys. Thanks.